Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about why choosing the right affiliate program is crucial to your chances of success as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable, but only if you go about it in the right way, and choosing the right affiliate program is certainly a very important step. Now before we get on to all of that, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all, as this will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. Why choosing the right affiliate program is crucial to your chances of success. When starting out as an affiliate marketer, one of the main benefits is that you do not have all the hassle of setting up a business. Basically, you're tapping into a ready-to-go system with everything you need already in place. All you need to do is to get customers. The business you choose to work with will do everything else. Now, it's very important that you choose the right affiliate program, since they're not all the same. And choosing the right affiliate program can make or break your chances of success. Here are a few things that you need to consider. Does the business you're looking to work with have good quality products? Products your customers will be happy to buy. Does the product provide good value for your customers? After all, you don't want to make sales only to then have your customers asking for a refund a little later. Another important consideration are the commissions payable to you on making a sale. Do they offer reasonable commissions? And do they offer upsells? Also, something of great importance, do they pay commissions on both the front end of the business? This is usually lower priced introductory products, but also on the back end of the business. This is typically where the higher priced products and services are offered. This is where the real profits are made. You'll find that many businesses only pay commissions on the front end, but it's important that you try and find companies that also pay you commissions on the higher ticket items in what's called the back end of the business. This is important if you're going to cover your costs and leave yourself with a profit. And after all, a profit is what we're all looking to make. Also, does the company provide you with marketing material that actually converts? Do they use a sales funnel that's proven to turn your traffic into buyers? And finally, very important, do they treat customers the right way? I've tried many affiliate programs in my time, and today I want to introduce you to a company who in my opinion tick all the right boxes. If you look at my description below this video, you'll find a link where you can access a free online training video. The training video is presented by my partner Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, who during the training video will reveal the 4 core areas you need to focus on to grow a profitable affiliate business today. In addition to this, during the video presentation, Dean will show you how to get a free copy of his book, The Iceberg Effect. In this book, Dean outlines his highly successful and revolutionary approach to building a sustainable and highly profitable internet business as an affiliate marketer in today's economy. In the book, Dean will also reveal how you can partner with him and promote all his products, where you'll get paid commissions on both the front end and the back end, where you can earn commissions that run into thousands of dollars. Now, just a quick disclaimer. I am an affiliate partner of Dean's, and as such will be compensated if you do decide at some point to purchase any of his products through my links. But the training video you're signing up for, if you click the link below, is completely free with no obligation to buy anything else. If you put in the time and effort, it's quite possible to make an income, a good income, as an affiliate marketer. But to be successful, we all need help. Trying to go it alone is not a good idea. With Dean and his team, you could not be in better hands. For this reason, I strongly recommend that you at least take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training. Okay, now if you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below and click the link and watch Dean's free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.